Zayed is going for an expedition to the Amazon. Amazon River is the largest river in the world. It is located in South America. The Amazon River originates from Andes Mountain and flows through 5 countries, that is Peru, Brazil, Venezuela, Ecuador, and Bolivia. It is almost 6,400 km long and at some places it is up to 11 km wide. It almost looks like a sea because you cannot see other bank of the river standing at one side. So, the conversation between the two brothers start when Suleiman enters in Zayed's room wanting to know more about Amazon to collect information for the quiz event at the club. The first question he asked to his brother is that why was the Amazon so large? To which his brother replied that it is located on equator and equator experience heavy rainfall almost every day. Second reason is that the river basin is like a saucer. Basin is the widespread area around the river. The Amazon basin is saucer shaped due to which whenever it rains all the water flows in Amazon river. Next question popped by Suleiman was if he would be walking along the river bank. To which he replied that Amazon river is surrounded by thick Amazon rainforest that are largest in the world. The trees there are so close that even raindrop take 10 minutes to reach the forest floor. There were no roads or bridges, so they had to use packrafts, canoes, and boats to travel. Suleiman insisted to know more fact about Amazon. They looked for it on the internet. He found that kapok tree. Kapok tree is the biggest tree in the Amazon rainforest, which is about 200 feet tall. The water lilies of Amazon have very large leaves that are about 3 meter wide that lie flat on the river. Sometimes they are so dense that one can barely spot water beneath them. Suleiman then asked Zaid how was he going to get there and what would he do for food during the trip. Zaid replied that he would fly to Lima, the capital of Peru, and would be reaching the rainforest by the same time the next week. Zaid said that they would be carrying limited food. There were 3,000 varieties of fruits growing in Amazon, but only 200 were edible. But they would adjust because that's what expedition is all about. Zad told that Amazon is a home of largest number of animal and bird species. For example, scarlet macaw. It lives up to 60 years or more and eat fruits and nuts. The next is three-toed sloth, the largest animal around. It sleeps for about 20 hours a day. Anaconda, the largest snake on earth, it can even gobble up a jaguar. Giant anteater, famous for its long sticky tongue, which is used to catch insects for food. It can smell insects from far and eats about 30,000 insects a day. Happy eagle, the most powerful eagle in the world, it has claws that are longer than those of a grizzly bear. Toucan, the loudest bird in the Amazon. It is famous for its oversized, colorful beak called a bill. Jaguar, the largest cat in America. It is a symbol of the rainforest. Poison dart frog, the most poisonous creature on earth, and it is very brightly colored and oozes poison through its skin. So these were some species found in Amazon. He told that there are about 300 different type of fish in the river, whereas the flesh-eating fish is found in Amazon River. Then only their mother entered and told Zaid that Zoe, his friend, has got 20 bottles of medicated cream delivered at the office. Suleiman was amused to know that the largest quantity of medicated cream required. Zayed explained that there are about 2 million species of insect found in Amazon that could give a bad time. Zayed ended telling him that it would take about an year to finish the trip and it wouldn't be easy, but it is like a dream come true. Suleiman explained that he was very proud of him. So, it is a very interesting story, students, which gave some knowledge about Amazon rainforest. So, read the chapter again and learn.